So, for example, you know, a $200,000 job would require about $20,000 in renovations. It gets a little bit more tricky when the utilities are off on a property. So if you have a vacant home, let's say the house is going for auction and the lights aren't on, the water isn't on, then we're going to need at least a 15% contingency reserve on that project, up to 20% with underwriter discretion. But typically, we're looking at 15%. So even though we're typically seeing 10% and then sometimes 15% with the reserve requirement, we can go up to that 20%. The final decision maker on what reserves we need for your project is actually the underwriter on your loan. So I could estimate that we're going to need 10%, but the underwriter might come back, review your project, review the scope of work, and decide that a 15% contingency might be required.